Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. So today we're going to talk a little bit about brand awareness. So what exactly is brand awareness? Brand awareness is the public's awareness of your company, your brand, whether or not they recognize your logo, that kind of thing. So basically a lot of the time when people are focusing on reach marketing and getting things out there, they're looking at getting your logo in front of people so that they're familiar with your brand for when they try and advertise to them. So basic brand awareness. You also have companies, and the clothing companies are really, really good at this actually. Clothing companies are probably the best in the world because what they do is they literally build clothes for people that have specific brands on them. So, for example, Adidas, Nike, you've got all these different things, the North Face. You go there, you see these different things. You've heard of Gucci. That's because everybody's heard of Gucci because they've been working on building their brand awareness, and they make sure that they have their logo plastered on everything because everyone loves the logo. Everyone knows the big M. So when it comes down to it, getting your brand awareness out there and having people know who you are and what you do is really, really good, because it means that you're a company that's known. You're a business that stands out, and that's really, really good, especially if you're a smaller company. Anyway, that's basic brand awareness. I'll probably be making some videos on how to increase brand awareness, things like this. However, I'm just explaining at the moment, so you have a nice day. Bye!